I'm George from All Things Bike, and doing a bike check. So yeah, it's nothing really special. So yeah, I'll start at the back. I just got a normal Salt wheel because that's not that loud on it. It's just a normal wheel really. I've got a Salt back peg, which is pretty sick. Okay, so yeah, I got Salt cranks, which I think they're called Salt Rockies or Rookies, something like that. The bike came with different pedals, but my mate for my birthday got me these. So yeah. Yeah, that sucks. We're like waiting for the train, so yeah. So Salt Rookies, and these came with the clap pedals, but my mate bought me these Salt plastic PC ones, so that's pretty good. And they are better anyway, and I like the way they look, so that's sick. Yeah. My seat is a We The People arcade pivotal with a Salt seat clamp. And yeah, and then I've got my little Lucky Charm thing going on there. So my bottom bracket comes with the cranks if you buy them, but to that Salt mid rookie bottom bracket. So that's all jazzed. My sprocket is a Salt plus steel, not aluminium. Like I did have one on my old bike, and I would actually put that back on, but my mate sold it, so that's pretty sick because I'm getting half the profit.
You're not.
I am.
No.
I am.
No.
I got a that's 25 tooth by the way, and that's 25/9 gear ratio.
32/9 better.
32/9.
Bars.
Yeah. Sorry about that. That's just train yet again. But yeah, I like the cranks, and that's a KMC chain. No, it's not. Sorry, it's not KMC. It's actually a Salt chain actually, and it's one of those ones where if it breaks, yeah, it's got like the power link, so you can just put that together. You don't really need a chain tool. Hope that's help. So yeah, on my grips now, We The People signature Albaro grips with those shitty pop-up bar ends, which.
Not on this train though.
Not on this one. So yeah, guy at the train station talking to us, boss. So yeah. No, these are shit bar ends which you have to like push out. So yeah, these are dirty bars which I swapped today for these bent Salt ones I had. So I got a good deal out of that, which is pretty damn sick, and they feel really nice. They're like perfect for like no-handers and all that jazz. So yeah, on my stem now, that's just a normal Salt stem. I like it, but it is really low, so maybe upgrading it soon, possibly. So now my wheel, please don't lift the bike. My wheel should be Salt, but I don't recommend Salt parts because they break. And my old Salt, basically, bearings had crushed. So yeah, I swapped it with this guy, and he gave me a fiver and this wheel. This is just a Quando double ward shit fuck with a Maxxis 2.2 tyre. So yeah, and yeah, so my forks are We The People High 10 forks. Yeah, they're really nice, they feel lovely, so smooth. And I like the dropouts on them, they look pretty sick because I got that there. But yeah, my favourite part of my bike is probably my dust cap. It supports me so much, that thing. Couldn't live without it. So, yeah. And my back tyre is just a Salt one. My frame, my actual frame is a We The People Arcade 2012 High 10, double butted, so that's pretty nice. It's not a heavy frame, it's not very light, it's like
Single bow.
£5, not single butted. Not single butted. It said. It's double butted.
Single bow.
Alright, you can check that in the comments. Anyways, I like the frame. So yeah, I like Bike Create, to be honest. It's just a normal salt cable, salt caliper. Salt breaks up really. Yeah, and that's basically my bike setup. When I usually ride, I listen to some day after music. No, I'm not going into that. No, I actually listen to usually just.
No one cares.